A major ruling today from the U.S. Supreme Court. That court narrowed Section 2 of the Voting Rights Act, gutting the provision that helped to create so-called minority majority seats in Congress.
CBS's Christian Benavidez is following this story from Miami.
The Supreme Court struck down Louisiana's congressional map on Wednesday, and with it, part of the Voting Rights Act. In a 6-3 ruling, the court's conservative members found it was unconstitutional for lawmakers to use race to create this majority black district. Justice Samuel Alito writes, allowing race to play any part in government decision-making represents a departure from the constitutional rule that applies in almost every other context.
It means that if we go to court and we challenge lines, that what the state can say is, I wasn't considering race, I was considering politics. And I think that that would be a very strong defense after this particular decision.
In a dissenting opinion, Justice Elena Kagan writes, the court's decision will set back the foundational right Congress granted of racial equality in electoral opportunity. Louisiana Governor Jeff Landry wouldn't rule out an immediate effort to redraw the map in his state, even though early voting for primary contests starts on Saturday.
The court decides to give it to us on the eve of the election. What are they telling us? Are they telling us we have to draw? Are they telling us we don't have to draw? Should we draw?
New York Democratic Congressmember Alexandria Ocasio-Cortez says a national ban on gerrymandering is the only way to stop the gamesmanship.
If Republicans are going to redraw North Carolina, if they're going to redraw Texas, if they're going to redraw and gerrymander every one of their states, then unfortunately we have to provide balance to that.
Shortly after the Supreme Court ruling, Florida Republicans took a step toward approving a new map that could net the GOP 4 extra seats. Christian Benavidez, CBS News, Miami.